the motorway. Oh yeah, so I got a flat bed. I'm gonna die! As you can see, greatest car in the world, the Vauxhall Corsa D. Not only that, but it's the most stable car in the world. You just sit back, relax, and enjoy the peace and quiet. Oh, my arse, getting a free massage. Actually, it's in the wrong. Usually buy it. So, in other words, we've got free massaging seats. Yo, this is really bad, bro. I'm in probably one of the most comfortable cars of all time. No vibration, no bumps. You don't feel like you're unsafe.
Are you sure about that?
To top it off, got a lovely little McFlurry. Only anything happened to me. I do think that the configuration of the multinational matrix of the algorithmic LED functional microwavic motion makes this car stabilise itself naturally with the AI computer-rated genius. I just think it speaks for itself, really. For f***, mate, what the f*** now, bruv? No, not to drive. Get idiot in it. So we've had a look at the car and it turns out we actually know what is wrong with it. There's actually nothing wrong with the suspension. It didn't have a flat tyre. The rubber on the tyres had actually marinated with the road. Although this is the greatest car in the world, you need the greatest tyres in the world to go with it. So due to the molecular level of the rubber that actually stimulates with the orgasmic nucleus, that then causes a chemical reaction which bonds then with the rain within the weatherness, that then synchronises and has a baby. Phoned up my mate Pedro earlier and he said PS5s are the best tyres. So we're going to go ahead and get some from them. So we're going to head and go get... So we're going to head to go get some of them now. Very, very, very trusted garage.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So currently got the PS5s equipped and I can tell you now, the most unbelievable, grippy, dynamic tyres. We've got the track, now time to attack.